Hello everybody, a very good morning to all of you. My dear students, today we will study a very important and most interesting topic of the chapter Commercial Mathematics. And the topic is unitary method. So, what is unitary method? Unitary method is used in business for different applications. It is a method which is very simple in which we can find the value of unit and then the value of the required units. So while solving the problems on unitary method, we must study the two types of variation. And the first variation is direct variations. That is, if two quantities are related in such a way that the increase in one quantity results in the corresponding increase in the other and vice versa, then such a variation is called direct variation. If two quantities are in direct variation, then we can say that they are proportional to each other. In simple language, if the value of one quantity increase, then the value which is related to this first quantity will also increase. Okay, so in direct variation the situations are more articles, more money, less articles, less money, more men at work, more work done, less men at work, less work done, more hours, more work will be done, less hours, less will be done, more speed, more distance covered, less speed, less distance covered. So that is, if one quantity increases, then it results in the increase of the other quantities also. So here are some examples. Amita purchased 15 garlands for rupees 315. Find the cost of 25 such garlands. So here the cost of 15 garlands given, and we have to find out the cost of 25 garlands. So first we will find the cost of one garland. That is, cost of one garland is 315 divided by 15. We will have to divide 315 by 15. So we get the 21, that is the cost of one garland. So cost of 25 garlands is equal to 25 into 21, that is 525 rupees is the cost of total 25 garlands. So more garlands, more cost. Now comes to second question. If 12 meters of copper wire cost rupees 180, then find the cost of 52 meters of copper wire. So cost of 12 meters copper wire is 180. So cost of 1 meter copper wire is 180 upon 12, that is 15 rupees. So cost of 52 meters of copper wire is rupees 15 into 52. We get rupees 780. So 780 is the answer.